Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell and show you how you can very easily block absolutely any number on your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments, and let's get to our topic. First of all, I want to tell you that blocking a contact is a pretty good method if someone is bothering you with their calls. Is some kind of spam, or you realize that this number is a scammer. In any of these cases, you can block absolutely any number. And for this, you will need to open the application Phone on your iPhone. Next, you'll need to go to, for example, the Contacts section. And here, to block someone, you'll need to scroll down to find the person or type the person's name into the search box. Then you go to it and scroll down to the bottom where you find Block Contact. You click, you confirm your action, so the contact will be blocked. If it is just a call from some other number and this number is not in your contacts list, then you will need to go to Recent Calls. Next to the number, you can click on this blue sign with the letter I, and also at the bottom you will see sections Block Contact. You click on that, confirm the action, and that way the contact will be blocked. Friends, this is how very easily you can block absolutely any number on your iPhone. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon, friends.